What is up, guys? It's Drone Poison coming at you for another one. Today we are checking out a product from Kraftgeek. This bad boy right here is gonna up your game when it comes to videography. If you're out in the field, this thing is gonna make life so much simpler. This is actually a tripod. This thing actually so simple to set up compared to my old clunky one that I was carrying around. I'm gonna do a little comparison in a few minutes here, showing you just how fast I can set this one up versus the other one. But ultimately what's going on here is this thing, basically you hit it on the bottom, pops up and extends up here. You got 66 inches of basically telescoping tripod. That's that quick to set up, takes about 5 seconds to set it up. And the head of it, you know, holds your phone and it tilts forward and back and side to side as well. And, you know, I wasn't really for sure, you know, how I would like it, but it's really grown on me and it's just making life a lot simpler when it comes to setup. All right, so this is my normal tripod setup that I've been using for quite a while. And in a second here, I'm gonna do a little time demonstration. Basically, you got all these adjustable clips on the legs and it collapses. You basically adjust this guy right here. On this bad boy right here, what happens is you gotta flip these guys up and then telescope the whole thing out, right? Yeah, so it's kind of a little bit of pain in the butt. We'll go ahead and do like a time demonstration real quick. All right, so I got my helper here. This is my father, Frank. He's gonna be helping out real quick with setting up the timing of me doing the actual tripod setup. We're gonna have him running the timer, or the stopwatch, I should say. On your marks, get set, go. All right. Gotta check the bubble level, make sure we're good. All right, time. Oh. Stop. Okay, so that was, it says 38, we're gonna say 37 because there was a delay in stopping it. But basically about 37 seconds to set up this tripod. And now we're going to show you how fast we can set up the Kraftgeek one. On your marks, get set, go. Basically that's it, stop. That's it. What was the time on that?
6 seconds.
6 seconds. So the comparison is a night and day difference. This thing actually does go up to 66 inches. So it's plenty tall enough from whatever job you've got going on. The thing that's actually pretty cool about this as well is it comes with this bad boy right here, which is it's a Bluetooth remote switch that you can activate. You hold the button down and it'll turn on, and then you can set it up so it's Bluetooth connected to your phone, and whenever you're in photo, you hit the button and it'll take a picture, and if you're in video mode on your phone, you hit the button, it'll start recording and stop recording. You can see here that the Kraftgeek tripod also doubles as a selfie stick, and you can use the Bluetooth dongle to start and stop your recording from a distance without having to reach for the phone. You know, I wasn't really for sure how I'd like it, but it's really grown on me. And I think that this is going to be my new tripod that I'll be carrying in my bag. It's just, it fits in there. I don't have to carry, you know, an extra bag around. I can just put this on the side of my backpack and it's going to do everything that I need it to do. So I thank you, Kraftgeek, for sending this out to me, and you guys stay fly, keep it in the sky. Drone Poison out.